Hello and welcome to another video. I just recently uploaded my free printable calendar for 2020 and I'm gonna share just a few quick ideas on how to use them. And you'll find the link to my website in the description box down below. You can print out the calendar in A4 size or smaller. And you can easily create nice calendars for your desk or you can hang them on the wall. You'll need a simple frame. If your frame is larger than the printout, just pick up a nice background paper. Frame the calendar with the background paper. It will make a lovely decoration on your desk. Or you could also use these as Christmas gifts. Of course, you can also use the calendar in planners and journals. Here's a super simple journal with a small calendar that you can fold out like this. So it's easy to see while you're making your plans or timetables or whatever. I have another video tutorial on how to decorate the journal and how to bind a simple journal or junk journal like this. So I'm not going to repeat it here. As you can see, it's a bit hard for me to film at the moment, as my daughter's cat is staying with me right now. But I'll be back with some tutorials that I filmed earlier this year, as soon as I'll have time to edit them. So, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And please give me a thumbs up if you like cute kittens, or if you like this video or my printables. And I'd be happy to read any comments or questions as well. Happy crafting and Happy New Year! Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!